So what you can do is that in 10 minutes, please try those questions, Harshit, Arya, and Gianna. Okay. Please try the homework questions that I've given to you. PYQs question, like basically the PDF that is already there in your app. Okay. And I have marked some question. I think 5 questions were there. A question number was written on it, that which question you have to attempt. So that would be around 5 or 6 questions, not more than that. So at least you can easily solve in like 2 or 3 questions in those 10 minutes. Okay.
So totally.
And, yes, Harshit.
Sir, how many there total?
I think 5 6 है Harshit, ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Okay.
हाँ, not more than that. बहुत like कम ही questions देता हूँ मैं like to so that you can easily attempt and practice. ठीक है? So just give me 10 minutes, dear, and then we'll start the class. Okay? You can easily like practice those questions, and we will discuss the doubts as well. And after that, we will start the elimination method in the class itself. Okay? Yes or no, everybody? Is it clear? Harshit, Gianna, Arya?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Yes. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Okay. So please attempt and practice those questions, and I'm just coming back in 10 minutes, not more than that. ठीक है. And ठीक है. So let's start with the after that. Yes, everybody, I'm back. Thank you so much for waiting.
So, which questions were you talking about? Because the last homework questions you gave, we already discussed.
I have given some PYQs for you. So you didn't receive those, basically the number of, basically the question number type message from the WhatsApp.
No, sir.
Chalo, ठीक है, just a
No.
second. Let me ask. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. That basically ask about the status. Okay. So okay, no worries. Any doubt to anybody till now? Just a second. Yes, everybody. Harshit, Arya, Gianna. Any doubt?
No.
Any doubt while solving any question? Harshit, Arya, Gianna. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Any? Do you have any doubt, Gianna? Yeah. Why? What happened? Everybody is
No,
looking
sir.
so lethargic right now. What happened?
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt. Chalo.
Sir, what's it?
Yes, Harshit.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Harshit, you are saying something, but your voice is not clear to me. Harshit, please tell me what are you saying, dear?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है. Okay, so let's start the elimination method. Okay. So if you are saying that you don't have any doubt so far, so let's start with the elimination method. Okay. Okay. So so let's understand a little bit what basically the elimination method is. So suppose that there are two parties. Okay. So this is a game kind of thing. Okay, in the school. Okay. And what happened is that basically this is group A and this is group B, right? So what basically is, so there is going to be a competition. Okay, there is going to be a competition, and in the school. So basically, for the you can say head boy and head girl. I think everybody has this kind of thing in the school itself. Like when I was in there, like when I was in school, there was like this kind of thing was there. So please tell me if it's there or not. Head boy, head girl.
Yes, sir.
Ha.
Yes, sir.
So suppose that these are two boys. They are basically competing each other for the basically you can say head boy position, right? So what happened is that somehow you can say due to any like you can say bad practices or any other thing, the B has been eliminated. So only left thing is this A group is left. It means that the boy A is left. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means that you can see that B boy has been eliminated. It means that the competition is only the competition is reduced to boy A only, right? So similarly, in the pair of linear equations, basically two equations are there. So we have to somehow eliminate one variable. We have to reduce the two variable equation into one variable equation, either adding or subtracting by making their coefficient same of one variable. Okay, let's understand this thing with the questions. Okay, because with the example, I just wanted to tell you that what basically is. So, but the main idea you will get is basically by the questions. Yes. Let me take one question. Acha, what about the assessment? How many of you have done done the assessment?
Yes,
Arya?
sir.
Okay, what was your score?
I don't remember.
Chalo, ठीक है. And
I think
what about
4 out of 5 or 3 out of 5.
Acha, ठीक है. And what about Gianna?
Yes, sir. I wasn't able to do it.
You were not able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, Gianna. What
I'll-
about Harshit? Hi, Gianna, you were saying something?
Sir, I'll do it today.
Okay. Okay, what you can do is that if basically if you are not able to attempt now, so you can ask the management, just message the official number that please reactive this assessment. Just tell them the topic name properly, that methods of solving by algebraic method or substitution method, right? This kind of thing will be written in the app. So you can directly message them, please reactive this test for me, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So if it's not accessible right now, so if it's accessible, so that is well and good. But if it's not, so you can ask them to reactive this.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Harshit, आप बताओ, what was your score?
Sir, I'm also looking at
You are also
70%.
Harshit. Your voice is cracking a little bit here.
Sir, I'm saying that it is 70%.
70%. ठीक है. That's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, so let's start this method without any delay. Okay, that how you will. And one more thing, that each and every question can be done by both of the methods. Like if the question is there, it can be solved by the substitution as well as the elimination. So it's up to you which one you would like to solve. So, but in my opinion, elimination is much easier than the substitution. So, but one more thing, that sometimes in the question method will be specifically mentioned. So if the method is saying that you have to solve the question by substitution, so you have to solve the question substitution only. And if it's there that you have to solve by the elimination, then you have to solve the question by the elimination only. Got it? And nothing is mentioned that which method you would like to solve. So you can use any of the question, like you can use any of the method to solve the question. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's great. So let's understand how do we solve these equations by elimination method. Starting in the start, I'm taking you can say a very straightforward question, just like the just a second. I'm sharing my screen again. Actually, it got stuck. Okay. So let's start this question again. So this question is saying that suppose that these two equations are given to you. So yeah, and 2x. Equation number 2, right? So all of you can see this thing that x is positive here and y is positive here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And in this equation, x is positive, but y is negative. Coefficient of y is negative, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So what in the start? So what you can see is that, so somehow if I need to eliminate one variable, I have two approaches, right? Either I make the coefficient of this x 2 and subtract both the equation 2 minus 2, 2x minus 2x will be eliminated, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And on the second option is either I can make this variable coefficient of y as 3 and add them, because positive y 3y and negative 3y will get cancelled each other, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have two options, right? So what we can do is that easily, like it's easy for us that if I make this equation, if I make the coefficient of y as 3, so it's easier because adding is much easier than subtraction. Obviously, like we always like to add like instead of subtracting. Okay. So first step will be so I'm giving you the strict instructions just for this specific question, but these instructions can be implemented similar like exactly for the other questions itself, right? So, but only the values of the coefficient will get changed. Okay. Right now, I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by 3, right? Yeah. So suppose, so if it's getting multiplied by 3, so it would be like this. Okay. Because whole equation is getting multiplied, not only is x plus y. Okay. So this will be reduced. This will, if I expand this, so 3x, 3y is equals to 15. In this in this basically method, the most common mistake is that we basically make the coefficients, we multiply the coefficients with the number, but we don't multiply the constant like in the hurry. So that is the most common mistake that a student face. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. So what you can do is that adding equation 2 and 3 will basically eliminate the 3y. Yes or no, bolo?
Yes.
Hmm? So I'm going to add. So this will be twice. So second is the add. Yeah. So now if I am adding, so similarly, like it's very easy to add the equations. Just like do we add the will be 4 and 3x plus is equals to 15, right? I'm going to add this, right? So 2x and 3x, what will be the value?
So minus it will like
Huh?
change the sign. Sir, first we will change the signs.
No, Harshit, we don't change the sign in the when we are adding. We only change sign when we subtract.
Oh,
Huh. So tell me, 2x plus 3x,
5x
5x. Minus 3y, positive 3y. They will get cancelled each other, right? Is equals to 5, 15 plus 5, 15 plus 4, God,
Nine-
sorry. Yes,
19.
19. Okay, so it means that x will be equals to 19 by 5. Got it? Next, third step will be the simple same step that we do in the substitution as well. Once we get the value of one variable, we can substitute in any of the equation. Okay, so I'm going to substitute in equation number 1. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm adding here. So x is basically 19 by 5 plus of y is equals to kitna hai? 5 in.
We can substitute them in 1 or 2, right?
You can, yes, in any of the equation. It's up to you. Either 3 as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The after getting multiplied, okay, we can substitute it here as well. So now y will be equals to 5 minus 19 by 5. So when you will take the LCM, this will get 5. 5 5s are 25. minus 19. So it is coming out to be 6 by 5. Yes or no? So the value of y is coming out to be 6 by 5. It means that the value of x is equals to 19 by 5. Got it, everybody? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
So could you please explain me again like why we multiply 3 by the equation number 1?
Harshit, which one? Your voice is like it's looking like that you are speaking very far from the mic.
Sir, I'm saying that could you please explain the, like why do we multiply 3 with the equation number 1?
Achha, why did we multiply 3 with the equation 1? You are saying this?
Yes, sir.
Aja, Harshit, we have done this thing to eliminate this y, because you can see this thing, this is positive y and this is negative of 3y. But if I multiply this whole equation by 3, you can see this thing, this will become 3y.
Yes, sir.
So if this is become 3y, if I'm adding both the equation, this 3y, positive 3y, negative 3y are cancelling each other.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I have done this. You have to make the value of coefficient like in any of the equation, like you have to make one variable coefficient equals to each other, so that you can eliminate either by subtracting or adding. It's up to you which you would like to form.
So, sir, it can be done like when the variables have the different sign.
Harshit, could you please repeat?
Sir, I'm saying that it could be done like when they both have the different sign.
If suppose now, this is positive y and this is negative 3y. It means that I can add them. That's why they are, that's how they will get eliminated. If this is negative itself, what you will do is that you will take this 3, if you multiply this 3, this would become 3x minus 3y is equals to 15, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do is that you will then subtract the value, because minus 3y and negative of negative 3y, this will become minus 3y plus 3y. Negative 3y was already there, negative of negative 3y. So this will become the minus 3y plus 3y. So this will become equals to 0. Yes or no, Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why. So it depends on the sign on the sign of the coefficient. What sign is present in the coefficient?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. Okay, so that is that's how you will find out. Got it, everybody? This is the 4th step, right? Is there any doubt to anybody in this? You can say method.
No, sir.
चलो
No,
ठीक है.
sir.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. ट्राई करोगे आप लोग?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है, that's good. Don't worry, like if you are not able to solve it, na, don't worry about it. So I'm basically, these are the like steps you can follow.
Sir, X will be
Harshit.
6y.
Harshit, X will be 6y.
Yes, sir.
I got access to.
Harshit, you have made mistake. Okay, Arya, please solve it for y as well. Harshit, try to follow the steps that I've written over here. These are the steps now. Try to follow these. These are basically main 3 steps that I've written over here. Any answer by anybody? Gianna, what about you, dear? Any answer from your side, Vijay?
So I got it.
Okay. Okay.
X equals to 2 and y equals to 1.
Okay. 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 Arya. What about you, Gianna? Okay, so I've received your so your overall score is 79%. Arya. Yes, Harshit, you are saying something, or Gianna?
No, this is
Nothing.
Jenna.
Yes, Gianna.
Sir, you asked for my answer.
I was saying that have you got the answer, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What is your answer? चलो ठीक है सॉल्व करते हैं ठीक है लेट्स सॉल्व इट so basically you can see this thing 3x plus 4y 2x minus 2y. Okay, so you can see 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Equation number, I got one answer. Gianna said, no, Gianna, I cannot hear you, dear. The voice is not audible, audible to me. Okay, so I think you have some mic issue, Vijay. Please fix your mic.
So can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you, dear. Now I can hear you.
Oh.
Yes,
So
Gianna, tell me.
my X, I got X as 2
Hmm.
and Y is 1.
Okay, very good. Very good. Let's verify it. Okay. So you can see this thing that this is your equation. Just give me a second, bacha. Just there's a call. Just give me a second. Okay, so basically you can see this thing that here, let's analyze this thing that 3x plus
Sir,
4y. हाँ हर्षित?
Sir, now I've got this right answer. Like because मैंने गलती कर दी थी कि मैंने equation 2 के अंदर 3 को ऐड कर दिया, actually 1 को ऐड करना था. Like अब
अच्छा
मेरा
चलो
x2 आया.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, that's good that you've got the correct answer, very good. ठीक है, very good Harshit. So now you can see this thing 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So here you have two options. Either you make the coefficients of x, both x equal, or you have the option to make the coefficient of y as equal. So so you can see this thing, if you are going for the x, so you have to change, you have to equal both the coefficient, because you can see this thing, this is here, this is 3 here, this is 2. So if you want to make it, you have to multiply this equation by 3 and you have to multiply this equation by 2, so that the coefficients of x become equal. But if we see the coefficients of y, it's 4 here and it's 2 here. So it means that if I multiply this equation by 2, I will get the coefficient of y as -4. It means that if I add both the equations, I will get the value. If I add both the equation, the y will get eliminate. Yes or no? So I'm going to multiply. So which one is easier? Would you like to multiply both the equation, or you would like to solve for only one equation?
Sir, only one equation. We multiply
Only
2x
one. Yeah, very good. Because we have to work smartly, not hardly. Okay.
Yes.
So these things develops, and basically these things basically you can say saves a lot of time when basically it comes to exam point of view. If you have like even 2 minutes, you can like suppose that 1 marker question is there, so you have 2 minutes to think about that question. Okay, if you don't have time, so you won't be able to think about it, and you will just basically you will just make the guess for that. Okay, so multiply the equation 2 by 2, right? Now this equation will become, so this will become 4x okay. Now you have equation 3. So what you can do is that you can add both the equation 1 and 3, yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
adding okay, equation 1 and 3. So this will look so 3x plus 4x, both are positive, this will become 7x, and this positive y and this negative y will become 0, is equals to 14. Okay, means that x is coming out to be 14 by 7. That is equals to 2. Got it? So it means that x is equals to 2. Now I have got the value of x, so I can easily substitute in any of the equation, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
X is equals to 2 in equation number. It's up to you. So I'm going to equation number 1. You can substitute in equation 3 as well. So this will be 3 into 2 plus of 2y, sorry 4y, six so 4y will be equals to 10 minus 6. So 4 equals to 4. So y will be equals to 1. Yes or no? So the value of x and y are coming to be 2 and 1 respectively. Got it, everybody? Yes or no? Please tell me if it's clear to you or not.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anybody?
No,
sir.
sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. That's good. Let's solve one more question. Okay. Please try this one. Any answer by anybody?
So, like, how do we do it? Like, there's no.
Harshit, bolo.
So, like, हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? सेम आंसर भी नहीं आ रहा है.
क्या आ रहा है?
सो मैं कह रहा हूँ लाइक किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सेम आंसर तो नहीं आ रहा है।
सेम आंसर नहीं आ रहा है मतलब मैं समझा नहीं हर्षित आपकी बात. आई एम नॉट एबल टू
सही।
अंडरस्टैंड. देखो चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं हर्षित, डोंट वरी, एटलीस्ट यू हैव ट्राई, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. कोई बात नहीं, अभी सॉल्व करते हैं, आई एक्सप्लेन इट. ओके, जियाना एंड आर्य, एनी आंसर?
No, sir. Not yet.
नॉट येट. व्हाट अबाउट यू जियाना?
No, sir.
नो. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स सॉल्व इट. सो लेट्स सी. 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. Okay. So this is negative 4 here. So as I take this on the right hand side, this will become positive 4. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So this is equation number 1. Okay. And here it is 9x. If I take 2y on the left hand side, this would become 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is equal to equation number 2. So now you can see this thing. Here I have both the variables here, right, with me. Okay, so let's check whether x is like whether we can convert x coefficient of x or y. Okay, now in this question you can see this thing, that coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of x is 9. Okay, it means that if I multiply this equation 1 by 3, I can easily convert this 3 into 9x and subtract both the equation to eliminate this one. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Okay, and if I take the coefficient of y here, so both the coefficients are negative. It means that in this case as well I have to subtract, because both the coefficients are negative, and if the same signs are there, so it means that I have to subtract it. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So now here 5 minus 5y is here and minus 2y is here. It means that if I multiply this by 5 and if I multiply this by 2, then you can say then the coefficient will become minus 10, because this is the only option, nearest option. So which one is easier, to multiply this equation 1 only, or to multiply both the equation by the factors?
So 1 है.
Only equation 1, just multiply it by 3, this will become the like the coefficient of x will become equals. So multiplying. Okay, everybody, you will receive the homework of substitution that was by tonight. Okay, you please solve those questions. Okay.
Sir on which time?
जल्दी मिल जाएगा हर्षित, maybe आपको like after this class within an hour itself.
Okay sir.
So now what you will do is that you will subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Okay, or you can do the reciprocal as well. You can subtract the equation 3 from equation 2, or equation 2 from equation 3. Okay, it's up to you. Answer will not change.
So why do we subtracting now?
Because Harshit, you can see the same signs are there. If the signs are same, it means that if I add them, then they are not going to eliminate. Because if I have to eliminate, I need to you can say subtract them. Okay.
Okay sir.
So I got the answer.
Okay, Arya, very good. So now we are going. I'm subtracting. It means that sign will change. So this positive will become negative. This negative will become positive, and this positive will become negative. So 9x minus 9x will become 0. minus 2 by positive 15. It will be positive 13. Yes or no? Positive 7 minus 12. So this would be minus of 5. That means that the y value of y will be minus of 5 by 13. Clear everybody? Yes or no? Arya, you got the same answer as well? Minus 5 by 13
Yes,
of y?
sir.
Hello, that's good. So now I'm going to substitute in any of the equation, okay, of y, value of y. Okay, so equation 1. So 3 x minus of 5 into 5 by 30 is equals to 4. Okay, so this will be equals to 3x will be equals to negative of negative will become positive. 25 by 13. Yes or no? Please tell me, is it clear to you or not? And 3x will be equals to 4 minus 25 by 13. Okay, so this will be equals to 3x will be equals to 13 will be the LCM. 13 4s are 52 minus 20.
So it will be minus 27 by 13.
Ha. So the x will be equals to 27 by 13. Okay, and this x will be equals to 27 by 13 into 3. So this will cancel this by 9 times. So your value of x will become x will be equals to 9 by 13. Clear? Arya, you got the same answer as well?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. So it means that the value of x and y is coming out to be x is equals to 9 by.
So it should be minus 9 by 13.
How, Akshit, how minus? It would be positive, na? 52 is in positive.
Okay.
Yeah. And y is equals to negative of 5 by 13. This is your answer. Clear, everybody? Please tell me, is it clear to you or not?
Yes.
Any doubt so far to anybody?
No.
Sure?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the basically the elimination method. Okay. Just a second. I think somebody has joined.